Heidi with Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. This book is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. I personally believe every woman deserves to love her body, herself, her clothes, her closet. And sometimes we need a little help to get us there, a little outside perspective. And that is where having a closet coach comes in. I use a tool called the Edit. It helps me in my closet. It helps my clients in their closet, and I hope it helps you too. This is a tool that you can use every day, and the purpose of it is to continually hone your wardrobe. And if you haven't curated a wardrobe you love yet, then this can help you to do so. So the way it works is at the end of the day, you ask yourself 3 questions about what you wore. Question number 1 is, what worked? We're starting with the positive part of our thoughts, of our outfit, what we chose for the day. We want to know what worked. The reason we're starting there is because pretty much we have it down pat, noticing what doesn't work. And I just want you to start practicing looking for what's working for you. The more you look for it, the more you'll see it. Okay, so I'm going to do it today with what I wore, and we'll just work through the edit, and you can do it for yourself as well. So today I wore my white pants. It was a very warm day. It's raining now, so it's starting to get really humid. I have to say I was very comfortable all day. And look at how still crisp and clean these pants look. Now I decided to wear a rash guard. This is actually something I wear in the pool or on a long day on the water. And so it's very light, it's very easy breezy, and of course, I love the neckline. This is my favorite neckline, a boat neck. I love stripes too, so it's a win-win. I again wore my blue rope flip-flops. I didn't throw them away yet, like I said I was going to. Okay, so it worked. I'm very happy with what I wore. I think it was perfect for my activities. I was outside some, I was inside some, I ran errands. I felt amazing. Now, question number 2 is, what didn't work? And we are asking that question not out of judgment, but out of curiosity. And this is just kind of also a practice of awareness. Noticing throughout the day how you're feeling about your clothes. Are you loving them? Or is something just not right? Is something wonky? Is something tugging or pulling? Or just do you catch yourself in the mirror and you don't particularly like the silhouette? Those are things that we're trying to notice. And it's really also an exercise of mining information, because we want to be able to learn very clearly what works for us, what we love, 2 syllables, what we love, and also what we don't love. And so by doing this work and noticing throughout the day, you may get halfway through your day and be like, this is the end. Last day for you. I have done that. I've actually put clothes on in the morning with the thought, I think today is the last day that you are gonna be worn by me. And then I just look for evidence throughout the day. So, what didn't work? about my outfit. Again, I'm gonna have to say that nothing didn't work. I liked it. I really did. I'm so sorry. The benefits of curating a wardrobe you love is you go to do the edit, and you've got nothing. Yeah, I was really pleased. I have nothing bad to say about what I wore today, except the shoes need to be replaced, and it is Amazon Prime week, so I might try to look for shoes on Amazon. I don't know, but they need to be replaced. So that is on my mind, is in my lists, and I'm on it. I am on it. Now, question number 3 is, how can we make it better? How can you make it better? You take the information you got from question number 1, question number 2, and then if you have a moment, sit with it and just ask yourself, how can I make this better? And this is really just an exercise of using your imagination, which is so much fun. How can I make it better? How can I make it better? I got nothing. Except I need to get the new shoes, for sure. But otherwise, I felt pretty amazing about the outfit. However, the question number 3 is just a brainstorming exercise, and it really is powerful. So in the weeks past of doing the edit, I do believe 15 action lists in my phone. So as I've done the edit, I've noticed things that need to be improved, things that need to be replaced, things that need to be altered, things that need to be thrown away, things that need to be, maybe something needs to be purchased. And so I have 14 items on my action list right now. And I did accomplish 5 so far. So, you get your action list, and then you just work with your budget, and you work with what you have to be able to get you where you need to be. So it's really a powerful exercise. It really is. And it's kind of moves you closer and closer to a wardrobe you love by being intentional, by paying attention, by deciding, I love this or I don't love this, by really valuing yourself enough to make sure that you're always dressed amazingly, comfortably, appropriately. You deserve it. No one's gonna do it for you. I promise you. Here's the thing. You have to get dressed. You might as well enjoy the process. And I'm here to tell you it's a process, and it's so much fun when you put the work in. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Have a fantastic evening. In the comments below, if you do the edit tonight, I would be so curious to hear what worked for you. Have a great night.